Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Emac on the track. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on the song I Gotta Stay Fly by 3-6 Mafia. It's a real easy song. I think it's in the key of G. I'm not a music theory teacher. I play by ear. So I'm going to do my best just to visually show you the notes, the root notes and the basic chords. Here we go. Go to the left hand hook part. 4 notes. C, B, G, E. Let me do it again. C, B, G, E. And that's it. You do that 2 more times. Let's go to the right hand treble part for the hook. And it's like mostly white notes, like key of G once again. So it starts out E, E, G, B chord, A. That's the first loop. And you do that again. C major. And the vocal part would be like about the same notes, a C chord. All right, and here's the verse part for the right hand treble. Once again, they're like seeing the same notes. You just do that part again, and when you play the song, have the song playing in the background so that way you can reference it. And I would do it in sections. Start out, learn the hook part with the left hand, and then the right hand. Once you get that, then go into the verse. It's just baby steps, and the chords are the most important part. Here's the verse for the left hand. Once again, the same 4 notes. And that's about it. What I would recommend is don't be afraid to make mistakes, explore. You know, it comes with time to be able to add the rhythm part to it, but just keep practicing. It's like a mind muscle memory. So I hope this tutorial helps you out, and I appreciate you watching it. If you have any requests for any more songs, hit me up on my YouTube. Be sure to subscribe.